Hi Alex here with Autonomous Trading on Facebook, where we have more than 4,000 followers and impressive metrics according to Facebook. I'm referring to official data from Facebook. I invite you to visit our Facebook page. And here you have, I'm referring to 100% response rate within less than 1 minute, which is impressive, due to the fact that the company has never sold any plan whatsoever on Facebook. Our plans are not for those that they are normally users of Facebook. A very small percentage of our users, in fact, utilize Facebook. The company has never advertised here on Facebook. Having said this, also the company, and this is important for those that they are non-subscribers, since the company has always responded to everyone, 100% response rate, within less than 1 minute. If I invite you to visit Microsoft or any other company that in fact they are selling on Facebook and they are advertising on Facebook, you do not see this kind of metrics. Therefore, congratulations to my own team, which I like obviously too, very proud of, since they have no financial compensation whatsoever to offer this kind of support to non-official users and to all those individuals that they never paid to the company to receive this kind of support. So visit the Facebook webpage. If you are ever interested in investing in Facebook, I have been discussing Facebook since IPO, and a great part of it, in fact, completely for free, announcing the most accurate and the most profitable market calls in the history of the markets, how to invest in Facebook with 100% accuracy, and posting it or making it available not only on Facebook as well as on social media. In the end, the company, and this demonstrates clearly our core principles that I've been defending and talking about for 3 decades, ethical principles. We never paid to get any follower on social media. Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, unlike everyone else. So 100% response time, less than 1 minute. Congratulations to my team. Thank you.